Let me show you what a full individual training session looks like using only a ball. First, I'm just going to spend 5 minutes getting warmed up. Next, I'm just going to spend 10 minutes working on some juggling. Next is working on my dribbling for 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to spend 15 minutes working on my first touch. Finally, I'm just going to do 5 minutes of fitness.